Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can use the research on your YouTube studio. This is an iPhone, so opening your YouTube studio, this is what you see: your research, your overview, your content, and your audience will be on the front, and you click on research and you will see what your audience are interested in and the topic they are watching, the videos and the topic they are watching. So this is my studio. I'm going through the videos, I'm going through what my audience are actually interested in and the topic they are interested in. Okay, I'm going through them bit by bit. Recent videos related to jollof rice. My audience are interested in this topic, so it goes also to recent videos related to stew. Oh wow. So I click on stew and I saw different topics. You could see different topics, so you could use this to research on what your audience and the topic they are interested in. It guides you in order for you to make videos related to this. And recent videos related to jollof rice. Okay, you could see different content creators and the videos they created, the topic and the thumbnail. You can see it over there. Content gaps related to poster. Okay, my audience also watched poster videos related to posters. So okay, I'm going through them. Content gap related to poster, content gap related to jollof rice and all that. So I'm going through them and I'm trying to look at what they are interested in topic. So this topic, this research guides you on how to go about your videos and what your audience and what your audience are actually interested in and the topic. Okay, I saw another one: recent videos related to pepper soup. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm gonna watch them one after the other. Recent video related to human hair growth. Wow. Okay, these are what my audience, the topic my audience are interested in and they watched. I saw another video related to white sauce pasta. Wow. Okay, then I go recent video related to hair max. So I'll look at it and see what my audience and the topic they're watching. Cinnamon powder, recent video. Okay, is in everybody's studio is different. What your audience are watching, what I'm showing you will be different from yours. It's not what my audience and the content creators what I have here. That is also what you will find in your YouTube studio right on your phone. Then I click on the search button. Okay, let me click on the best, let me type the best recipe. Okay, recipes. So this is what came out because I'm trying to use it. It's there, so I'm trying to utilize it and see. Then you see overview, content and your audience. So keep watching. This guides you, this over here guides you on what for you to click on your studio. Then these are discover more topic. These are topics that my audience are clicking. Yes, they're clicking and typing, they're watching. Video related to okay, so I clicked on that to see what my audience and the topic they are interested in. Oh wow. See, you could see and see. So you could actually, this can actually guide you to create your own content on the YT. So I clicked on the side, then you see support. Okay, let's go back again. Okay, When you click on that, you see understand research insight. This takes you to like a breakdown on what you need to know on research, and it takes you bit by bit what the research tab shows and guideline. This is sort of like a guideline towards the research. So what your viewers searches, your searches across YouTube, and saves watch and learn about search insight. Okay, this is really a good one on the YouTube Studio. So you go to your YouTube Studio and you see this, and it will guide you and help you on what content to do. Research, understand research insight. Okay, I'm going through them bit by bit to see what I need to know. Yes, your audience activity, watched by YouTube viewers, related topic, what the research card shows, top searches, discover more topic. Yeah, so this helps you, is a guide that shows you what you need to do in order to produce good content. So what your audience are interested in, what your audience are watching, the topic they're searching on, what the research topic they want to watch, or what they need to find information. So it guides you on creating content. So view the research tab, then you click on this sign in. I click on the sign in. Okay, this good what the research card shows. Yeah, I'm just going through them to show you how this is so good. I'm just trying it for the first time to see, and it's good. So this is really good for me, learning about content gap. Yeah, so you can read through, flip through, read and do your research. Yeah. So I clicked on the other one, welcome to the YouTube community, which is community is there. Look at it over here, community. So you click on it and it shows you creators tips. So it shows you what you need to know. So look at it, you can read it through. Then I click on sign in. It takes you to sign in your email address, your Google email address, and this takes you back to your research. You can go back. I try to search again, saved topics that are saved that you've searched for to be saved here. Then I go back to see, okay, let me search for something. Let me click, search for something. Okay, YouTube. I just searched this. Let me see what will come out. Okay, it's nice. YouTube music. Anything you're interested in, you just search here and it takes you to a search topic. So look at it, guys. Look at it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you would try it on your YouTube Studio. Thank you all for watching. Stay blessed and stay positive. Bye bye.